Greetings and a warm welcome. We appreciate you taking the time to join us for this presentation. In today's session, we'll be delving into the essential reasons why commercial and industrial buildings stand to benefit from the MPTS Power Management control system. The focus is on one key aspect: saving money, particularly in the realm of operating costs. Let's dive into the details. Let's kick off the conversation by asking, is your business equipped with any of the devices and equipment listed in your electrical network? Take a look at the key sources of power and the essential equipment interconnected in the electrical network, all neatly listed here. Now, the pivotal question is, do any of these devices reside in your electrical network? If you answered yes to having any of these crucial components, you might be in for some challenges. Let's start with the basics. If you've got key sources of power and loads listed in the previous slide, get ready for increased operating costs and maintenance challenges. Now, what do we mean by increased maintenance costs? Well, buckle up because it involves more than just shelling out money. First off, you'll find yourself making more calls for repairs, services, and part replacements. It's like your electrical network is on speed dial for maintenance crews. Secondly, if your electrical demand and consumption are through the roof, you've got a problem. It means you're using more energy than necessary, and that's not good for the budget. And lastly, brace yourself for potential legal consequences. Yes, you heard it right. Increased maintenance costs and problems can bring legal troubles to your doorstep. Now, let's talk about the challenges you'll face on the maintenance battlefield. Maintenance challenges include a laundry list of issues, and here are the top contenders. Wear and tear will become your daily companion. Your equipment will age faster than you can say maintenance. Technical failures will rear their ugly heads, causing disruptions and potentially putting safety at risk. Operations might face unexpected disruptions, leading to downtime that no one wants to deal with. Safety risks become more prominent, creating a hazardous environment for both equipment and personnel. Last but not least, the lifespan of your connected equipment will take a hit. It's like the aging process on fast forward. So, to sum it up, if you've got those key power sources and loads, be prepared for the financial hit and the maintenance roller coaster. We are tackling a critical question: how do we decrease those soaring maintenance and operating costs in our electrical networks? Well, the answer lies in a game-changer solution: the MPTS Power Management control system. Picture this: by integrating the MPTS system into your electrical network, you're opening the door to a world of benefits and features. First and foremost, say goodbye to excessive service and repair costs. MPTS is here to streamline and optimize your maintenance expenses. But that's not all. Your equipment will thank you as MPTS extends their lifespan, saving you from frequent replacements. The reliability and safety of your systems and personnel will reach new heights, translating to reduced downtime and enhanced peace of mind. Increased productivity and revenues become the norm, thanks to MPTS's ability to decrease your total electrical demand and consumption. And here's the cherry on top: the ripple effect of energy efficiency and a significant reduction in CO2 emissions. Now, let's delve into the features that come hand in hand with the MPTS Power Management control system. Experience advanced power management at its finest, providing you with unparalleled control and efficiency. Real-time monitoring becomes your ally, keeping you informed about every pulse in your electrical network. Benchmark your building standards with detailed data and reports, setting the bar higher for your network's performance. Predictive maintenance takes center stage, addressing issues before they escalate and ensuring a proactive approach. Say goodbye to power issues as MPTS tackles harmonics, power stabilization, and eliminates dirty power from your electrical network. Safety enhancements add an extra layer of protection, making your electrical environment safer than ever. And here's a crucial point to remember: in the market, there is no one device or technology that can match the capabilities of the MPTS Power Management control system. It's a league of its own. So, if you're looking to revolutionize your electrical network, reduce costs, and boost efficiency, MPTS is the solution you've been searching for. We are delving into a question that's crucial for businesses and industries alike. Why do you need the MPTS Power Management Control System? Well, let's uncover the reasons behind this essential investment. Picture this scenario: you're tired of paying exorbitant electrical costs, and your operating expenses are soaring. The MPTS system steps in as your knight in shining armor. With MPTS, you can put an end to shelling out more money than necessary. It's a proactive choice to increase energy efficiency without having to seek additional funds. And here's the kicker: lower maintenance costs. By making the decision today, you're not just cutting down on immediate expenses, you're setting the stage for long-term financial benefits. But let's talk about what happens if you decide to postpone this critical decision. Brace yourself for higher operational costs. It's like watching your expenses climb while a solution is within reach. Now, let's look at the track record. Over the past decade and then some, the MPTS Power Management System has been the trusted ally of hundreds of customers. These customers aren't just satisfied, they're the best testimonials for the MPTS system. Their success stories echo the impact of making the right choice for their electrical networks. So, why do you need the MPTS Power Management Control System? To break free from the shackles of high electrical costs, to slash operating expenses, and to make a proactive choice that pays off in more ways than one. Don't just take our word for it, let the satisfied customers speak for themselves. Make the choice that empowers your network. The smart choice: acquiring the MPTS Power Management System. We're presenting a game-changing opportunity for businesses looking to enhance their electrical networks without the burden of upfront capital funds. The reason? The MPTS Power Management Control System offers guaranteed performance, and we have the data and references to back it up. One of the standout features of the MPTS system is its guaranteed performance. Measurement and verification, M&V, performance data FRPM. Past installations of this system are available for you to review. And it doesn't stop there. If you need reassurance, you can ask for customer references complete with email addresses and phone numbers. Real people, real results. Now, let's talk about how you can acquire your very own MPTS system hassle-free. Here's an easy way to get started: lease your first MPTS Power Management System for just $2,000 per month for 5 years. Now, you might be wondering, why invest? Well, here's the deal: when you invest $24,000 annually in the MPTS system, you'll save a whopping $48,000 or more every single year. Ready to take the plunge? It's as simple as reaching out to your local electrical distributor. Ask for a comprehensive proposal with various purchase options tailored to your needs. Your options include loan financing, where payments can be covered from the savings generated by the MPTS system. Lease financing offers flexibility, allowing you to enjoy the benefits without a significant upfront investment. Rental options provide short-term solutions for specific needs. And for a long-term commitment, explore the various long-term financing plans available. So, no more waiting. Acquiring the MPTS Power Management System is not just a smart move, it's an investment in efficiency and savings. Contact your local electrical distributor today and explore the options that suit your business. Make the smart choice for your electrical network. Customers are using this power management system and controls device since 2011 in America. MPTS is a complete power management and controls device. This power management system monitors power, logs data, remote monitors and reports energy management data, and also fixes new world power problems in electrical networks. Please contact your distributor or a TransPower company representative for more information. Thank you for listening to this presentation. Have a wonderful day.